Hi guys, this is Fred with San Antonio Laser, and today I will teach you how to engrave in color on just about any metal without a MOPA laser. In a previous video, we showed you how to create a power map to test the different colors that can be achieved on a specific metal. Today, using this power map, I will show you how to create beautiful color designs, this time on mild steel, but this could be replicated on any grades of metal or steel for firearms, jewelry, or applications that you may want, really, provided that you have the power map for that specific metal. Now for this project, we simply took two 3.2 by 3.2 inch by 2.5 millimeter thick pieces of mild steel. We kept one untouched and painted the other one using a couple coats of Rust-Oleum satin protective enamel spray paint. Now, while both generated very different results, the unpainted sample simply required to line up the graphic, set the burn parameter, and hit start, while the painted sample required more attention. For this reason, we will cover the technique we use for the painted sample, as it is the same technique for the unpainted one, with the additional step of blowing off the coating prior to applying the color change. So let's begin. The lengthiest part of this project is separating your graphic into layers of color so that you may assign a set of parameters for each layer. To do so, you will need to select each part of the graphic you want to be of the same color while holding down Shift, then assigning a specific layer to that group. You can absolutely do this in several goes, but all objects that you want to be of a certain color need to be assigned the same layer so that we may define that layer with the proper line spacing and frequency that will match the desired color from our power map swatch. Now that you've taken the time to assign all the settings to their respective layers, just select all and group. Once grouped, let's create a file to blow through that paint. I will select the grouped graphic and Ctrl D it, which is duplicate in both EasyCAD and Lightburn. And I will then assign layer 00 to the copy in Lightburn or pen 0 in EasyCAD. And then we'll input the parameters to blow through the paint. Now, because the color change is done 11.5 millimeters out of focus, we need to assign a different set of parameters as we would if we were engraving at ideal focus. So for this, I selected to go easy and use 150 speed, 40% power over 30 watt, 20 kilohertz, and a line spacing of 0.002 with auto rotate on and a setting of 18.3 degrees for angle increment between passes. Depending on the depth and hardness of the coating that you choose, you may need more or less passes to get to clean metal. So keep an eye on your piece, but once you no longer see smoke or the color of the spark and the sound change, you pretty much know you're there. In our case, it took 4 passes. The power map that we're using today was made with 4 passes. So let's put our piece in front and center and run 4 passes. Because some of the dots are so small and they only receive a very quick exposure, the metal may not have enough time to rise in temperature, so the colors on tiny details may not match your color palette exactly. But it should still be very close and will still produce amazing results. So I encourage you to play with this technique and report back on what you may find works even better. Have fun with it. We're certainly having a blast, and I see tons of potential for the custom jewelry market and many other applications. I hope this video was helpful and fun for you guys, and I look forward to seeing what you produce with it. Until then, thank you for watching and see you soon on the next video.